Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to IKEA for a little bit of inspiration. I live in a smaller apartment, it's around 500 square feet, and your girl's got hobbies. So I'm gonna make this space way more productive, way more inspiring, and I think that IKEA is a great place to start. So let's go. IKEA's entrance and exit are the same, so a little top tip, go to the end, get yourself an ice cream cone, and then walk through the showroom. Way better experience. Okay, so in a small space, you need to be able to prioritize what you really want in your apartment, and a lot of the things that I have to do are kind of crafty, so they require space. So I'm going to try to figure out how to organize that best. I want a spot for coffee and tea, I want a spot for cooking, I want a spot for cosplay, and also for gaming and editing. So that's a lot of spots, and I think I can do it, but we'll see. Cool sofa. I really like the colors of this room. It's just the layout. It's logical to me. It's really cute. I really like how they use small spaces because it fits not only what they're selling, but exactly what I need. I'm really digging the pegboard. I think I need that for my little cosplay corner. But that's a cute use for it too. And one of those lamps, because it just feels productive. Like you're gonna get stuff done. I don't know about that chair though. What's that about?
Wait,
I can live here. It's nice. Oh. So cute. So cute. I'm into it. Very into it. This is my couch. Sans floof. My idea is to have this in the corner, right? And then this is actually a storage unit, which is awesome. But first of all, when you take those pillows off, people can sleep there, which is really nice because the seat is so deep. And then if you put it to the side, boopity, you can make a little sectional type thing. Cool. This is cute, but just not to my taste. Also, I feel like these don't really fit with all this heavy. Like, this is all very like heavy and dark, and this doesn't go. See, I like this. I don't think it's very comfortable, but I like it. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. Besides the children's thing, I think this is gold for like a little patio. It's so cute. How adorable. So cute. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough room for a little coffee table, but if I were to, I think this one's like the cutest that makes the most sense. And I can make maybe like a little basket to hide all the things I would shove in here and pretend like I never had and my house was great. This always makes me think of Star Wars. Every time. It'd be dope, just not in my house. That's super cute. Storage is cool too. Clever storage is key to a small apartment. Very cute. All right, so this is the dream. I hate laundry, and just having a spot that's pleasant and not a dark basement would be so nice. There it is, pegboard. Check out these counters. definitely need that for right next to my fridge because I do have some higher ceilings and I need to be able to reach the cabinets up there. Those aren't new, but I really like the space-saving element. I just don't know if I trust food around like sharp objects. Into the shape of this. It's cool. Pretty. It does not look comfortable at all. This is the size of my hand, and that is the top of that seat, but hey, still very cute. This is so great. It tells exactly what the square footage of it is, and it uses it so beautifully. It looks homey and comfortable, and it looks like a really nice place to come home to. Although, it's probably a bit nicer than what you'd usually see. All right, I'm beelining it to this chair because it's so cute. These are kind of cool. Sometimes I feel like it's a little harder to find things that fit both my aesthetic as well as what I'm interested in. Like some of the gaming stuff is too, I don't know, it's just not my style. So seeing some things that I'm into is kind of nice. This is beautiful. Well, that's gonna drive me crazy. There. This is why I like IKEA. Storage everywhere. So I have a teeny tiny bedroom and I can only fit so much. Right now I can literally just have my bed in there and some shelving. I'm thinking about putting in either a laundry situation to kind of get that out of the way, or maybe even something else for clothes storage, but I really can't fit much, and in this section it's really nice, but I can't really get a lot. So bedding, I can do bedding. I've got space for bedding. Is that cute? I can't tell. Okay, so in the kids section, there's this like giant coloring book situation, but it would be really cute as a cover for my future table when I do like crafting and cosplay and stuff. So this would be really adorable for my little cosplay setup. This place is always packed for lunch. I mean, there are great deals, and I do want a coffee and maybe something sweet. All right, that line was too much for me, so we are going to go down to the marketplace and pick up some stuff. I'm going to pick up some of these. Oh, I like this one. What's that? It's a dish towel? I don't know how it's supposed to do anything. It feels like a burlap sack. See, this is a polishing rag. That's good. This one's kind of wild, huh? Ooh. I want to get a cutting board to cover the top of my sink so I can have a little bit more space when cooking. But I need it for it to have like a little like hole or something so that I can hook it up, because I can't just have it hanging around. So I'm still on the hunt for a good cutting board. I can't even. I do have a tiny little like cutout out in my apartment where I could put up a cute little pantry, and I think some of these glass jars would be absolutely perfect for it. These are kind of cute. Some glass cups. And check this out. It's like $7 for 6. That's great. Oh, it totally matches my nail. Are we into this? Do you like that? It's cute. Those cushions might be big enough to make for like faux couch cushions on like the one side that I just have an ottoman. But I want to make it that sort of like L-shaped. What do you call that? I forget. The L-shaped style couch. Crafting pegboard situation. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think this is supposed to go on like the corners of your couch so that your cat doesn't actually scratch your couch. It scratches a scratchy thing. But Floof has been efficiently deterred from the couch, and I don't know if I want to like convince her to come back over. IKEA would be great for organizing Floof food, so that's something to keep in mind. Oh my god. How good is that? Crafting galore. How cute. Stationery. They have some ribbon. They've got organizers for all said things. So great. I wonder how much this stuff is. It's like $5. It's not bad. It's cute. If it wasn't so sad and broken. Sad. Oh, look at him. I'm so sorry, man. He's cute though. I think he's supposed to look like him. Do we like the gold detail more? I think so. I like this one. This one's cool. So I am planning to do a gallery wall, and IKEA does have frames. They're a little bit too like simple. I might want to go for that, but I want to check out thrift stores first because there may be things that I'm more interested in. I'm in such a good spot right now. I really want one of these things, but I'm gonna need a bigger car to be able to bring it home, so we'll wait for that. But one of these guys is coming with me for sure. These are cute. I like the color of it. It's pretty. I like these guys. These are cute. But it might be too heavy for today. This is sweet too. Alright guys, I think that's enough IKEA for me today, but I have some new ideas for my apartment, and there's some things that I didn't realize that they had, so it's a good little trip for me. If you're interested to see what I end up doing, or if you would like to check out more of this more home stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!